Good morning, day 77 of Peter and Doxie going to Queensland here in the beautiful Tin Can Bay, just south of Fraser Island. So it's just starting to rain. So it's going to be a quiet day, I think. Very grey, but yeah, it's very still. The water would be like glass if it wasn't for the raindrops on it. So yeah, just going to do some catching up basically, just do some more research, engine mounts. You'd think it would be easy, but it's not. So we'll get there. So I put the awning up literally minutes ago because I know the forecast is for rain today. Well, light rain it says, so I'm hoping that we'll get some little peaks of sunshine coming through from time to time. Would be nice. The tide has just changed, so it's just starting to run out now. So if we do get a bit of sun, at least I'm pointed in the right direction, stern to the sun. It's over there somewhere where you can see a bit of glow, but yeah, definitely not shining on us right now. Yeah, it's very peaceful. Now, yesterday we saw that yacht on its side. And now this morning he's come back, so I think it's actually done on purpose. He must be doing work on the bottom of it at low tide, although I didn't see any of that going on, but he literally just motored in about an hour ago and placed it over the sandbar again. So, yeah, that's good news. It means it was done on purpose, therefore not a problem. Yeah, just that little tinkle of rain on the sea. Very peaceful. As you can see, I've got the awning up here. So, yeah, it's hard to tell much, but at least it gives me the ability to sit in the cockpit without getting wet, if I feel like getting some outside air. I'm glad I misunderstood this yesterday. Looks like the skipper is careening his boat. Obviously do some work underneath, yeah, and not have to pay to lift it out. Winner. Hey y'all, it's yeah, just a short one today I think. Really not much happened. Been a dull day as you can see. That's probably the only part of the sun we're going to see as it heads for going down. So yeah, mainly a frustrating day of basically trying to source the right parts for my engine mounts, just trying to be sure that I've got the right ones before I spend the money. And I know I've said this already, but I have got the Volvo Penta dealership down in Mooloolaba where I bought the petrol pump from. I've got them just verifying the parts that I need, plus I've also got an English crowd also looking into it. So hopefully, I was hoping I'd be able to get at least ordered something today, but nope. So yeah, the onward going story, but we'll get there eventually. So yeah, I think I'm going to call it for today and just tuck in, read a book, maybe have a glass of red just for a change, and yeah, that's it. So short one for you. There'll be more obviously as things develop, and if you haven't, don't forget, subscribe, share, and this is Dawn Raider out. Thanks for watching another Adventures of Foxy Doxie. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.